Good day, sir. I'm Mary Ann Roswernes Palau, and this is my portfolio in event management service. Moonlight Signature Moment is my proposal event management and service company. Our tagline is Luxury Meet Timeless Beauty. You can also see our basic business information such as our email, contact number, and location in Rodriguez Rizal. Moonlight Signature Moments started in 2021 with the vision of creating extraordinary and meaningful experience. We started with a small, humble, and intimidated gatherings, and eventually, we expand to handle bigger and more sophisticated events. Also, we focus on fashion, creativity, and attention to details so that every event we create reflect to our clients' stories. As you can see, this is our logo, Moonlight Signature Moment, and this is proposal for wedding celebration of Mr. Anderson Miller and Miss Isabella Cruz. The formal proposal letter addressing to the couple. The letter expressed appreciation for the opportunity to handle their special day. This is our mission, vision, and value. First, our mission is to design elegant and memorable celebration with meaning and sophistication, while consistently providing elegance and service. For our vision is to be a leading name in luxury event management, known for artistry and attention to details. Our value highlight the importance of small details, fashion, precision, and purpose. This is our organizational chart. As a general manager, event planner, and coordinator, I oversee the planning and coordination of the event. We also have a event manager, marketing manager, finance, logistic manager, and caterer. Each of them play the important role to ensure smooth operation. For our service offer, first, we have personal event like birthday, debut, sweet 16, engagement, wedding, and anniversary. For corporate event, we have conference, seminar, team building, gala night, and award ceremony. For public event, festival, fairs, fundraising, exhibition, and trade show. Those show that our company is flexible and capable of handling different types of event. So again, this is our logo with a tagline, Luxury Meets Timeless Beauty. This is our accomplished event, Sweet 16 of Miss Dahlia Nelson, April 13, 2022. Debut of Miss Violet Willow, September 30, 2023. Anniversary of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, December 4, 2024. Those examples show our experience in organizing different celebration and working with different client of age. We have five different catering partners. First, MNC Catering Service, Dylan's Catering, MSE Event Catering, Enjoy Catering Service, and Kyle and Kyle Catering. Having multiple catering partners allowed us to offer a different of menu option, price range, and service style while still maintaining quality. Light and sound, we have Purple Mix, X Spectrum Pro, Triple E. Event accessories, we have Casey Corner, Stephen Savary Mobile Bar, Snap Studio 360, Precious Petals, and Souvenir. Also, we have Scent Studio. Through them, we give a complete experience of event. Event brief, we have slogan, target date, location, time, type of event, theme, highlights, expected guests, dress code, budget, and client. This brief serves as the foundation for all our planning and decision. The stage design suggests for the couple. The design followed the elegant white and gold theme with a romantic and sophisticated look. Wedding cake design inspirations that match the chosen theme. The cake served not only as dessert but also as visual centerpiece. that symbolize the couple's sweetness and unity. This invitation design gives a guest an idea of the formality and style of the celebration. Souvenir act as a small token of appreciation and a remembrance for the wedding. For package, yield 150 packs. They choose MSC event and catering. The total package cost is 201,000 plus a 15 service charge for grand total of 231,150, which an added contingency fund. So this breakdown show transparency in how the budget is allocated. The menu is designed to be elegant and satisfying for different preference. Event place where the wedding will be held. It gives the client a visual idea of the ambience and how the space can be transformed according to our plan design and layout. Location of the venue, helping client, guests, and supplier find the place easily. Floor plan, the stage for the bride and groom, VIP table for both parents of the couple, round table occupied 8 seats, buffet area, bar station, photo booth, souvenir area, pika-pika area, entrance and exit points, restroom and kitchen area, and the dance floor. This layout ensure good traffic flow, clear visibility of the stage, and comfortable for all guests. Event program activity. Ingress, final touch, opening of the venue, expected arrival of guests, program proper, and egress. Event day, program, arrival of guests welcome drinks, opening remarks welcome address, entrance of the couple, message up from the parents, games and couple trivia, toast for the couple, dinner, cake cutting ceremony, couple's first dance, open dance floor entertainment, photo booth and video montage, message and acknowledge, farewell, and exit of the couple. Each segment is given a specific time allocation to ensure a smooth and organized program. Having a checklist helps to ensure that all necessary materials are brought in the start and the proper counted for during backup. This time frame show that the event is planned month in advance to ensure everything is organized and well prepared. SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. This analysis help us to understand what we do well, what we need to improve, and how we can grow. Action plan: planning and coordination, venue and supplier, guest management, program and entertainment, logistic and materials, pre-event activities, event day execution, post-event. This action plan serves as our guide from the start of the planning up to the end of the event. Memorandum agreement between MSM and the client. It outlines the terms and conditions of the service, payment details, responsibility of both parties, and each important agreements. This document ensures clarity and protects both client and the company. Business permit, which show that the business is properly registered and legally operating. It is important for client to know that the company complies with government regulations and legally requirements. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.